Hi fellow model makers, today I want to save you lots of money. We all know this stuff comes in 40 milliliters, and for the Americans here 1 liquid ounce is 30, and this comes in 40 for $5. That means 1000 milliliters, which is like 1 liter, is $125, and it makes me laugh, I can't help it. $125. And my liter of the stuff I'm going to show you in a minute, not even a minute, is $10, and it's this ethyl acetate. That's what you get for like $10, and yeah, you can fill this up like 50 times with this guy. I only bought this for the little brush actually, and yeah, it's just a solvent, but it you know, it's pretty much the same stuff. And I'm gonna show you. We glue some weld bonds, some polystyrene together with this very solvent. So we take the cap off, dip in a brush, smear it on the very edge. Same stuff, like I said, just much cheaper, like literally 50 times cheaper. So don't waste your money on this little guy. Do what I did, buy one for the tiny brush. The tiny brush is really awesome, I have to say that. But for the actual process, get a can of this here. I bought it on eBay actually, by the way. Should work in any country, it's not really special. Just a solvent like acetone. Short stuff, evaporates pretty quickly, and yeah, that's actually it. Be smart and save your money, and up next another spaceship, so stay tuned. Hope you like the content so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.